Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I am one of the authors of Technique.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to prepare a lab for the Learn Linux from Scratch series. So, we're going to be installing a VirtualBox hypervisor, and the reason why I want to install a VirtualBox is because I already have VMware on my system and I have a lot of stuff in it and I don't want to uninstall it. So I would have shown you VMware installation, but VirtualBox is okay too. And if you don't want to use VirtualBox or VMware, you can enable Hyper-V if you're using a Windows system. So all of these hypervisors are good hypervisors. All right. So I have already downloaded VirtualBox. You can download VirtualBox as well. So I'm just going to click on the installation file to start the installation. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to check, okay, this setting seems to be okay. So I'm just going to click on next. Then please choose from the options below, create start menu. All right, this settings also seems to be okay. So I'm going to click on next. One-end network interfaces, installing the Oracle, blah, 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 blah. All right. I'm going to proceed with installation. I'm just going to click on next, on yes, I mean, and I'm going to click on install. And I'm going to click on yes, and my installation has started. Okay, it's installing. All right, installation is complete. So I'm just going to click on finish, and I can see my hypervisor installed. Yeah, actually I uninstalled this VirtualBox and install it again. So that's why I can still see the VMs I have installed already. But in your case, if it's a new installation, you wouldn't see all of this. You can just check the website if you're a little bit confused. I mean, we all have the steps here on the website, and on the website too, you can check if you just want to get some few knowledge on what virtualization a provider is, and just if you just want to feel like reading some stuff, you can just come to the website. I'm going to be dropping the link to the website in the description section or the comment section. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and bye for now.